I stare at the glowing screen, my fingers hovering nervously over the keyboard. I slowly type the words, Titan Gush versus a villain made of spaghetti in a futuristic disco. The AI cursor blinks rhythmically, like a heartbeat. "Let's see what you've got," I whisper. Hitting generate, the screen explodes into life. Titan Gush enters the neon-lit club as the floor vibrates with a heavy bass. Suddenly, the villain appears a massive, tangled heap of sauce-covered noodles lunging forward. I pause, eyebrows raised in disbelief, and click the button to start the full animation sequence. Titan Gush swings a wet noodle like a whip at the pasta monster. I cut to my camera, staring blankly at the chaos unfolding. "Is this really happening?" I mutter. The villain retaliates, throwing meatballs like deadly grenades. I lean in, using a robotic filter. The director is clearly a machine with a hunger for carbs. The fight peaks as the massive disco ball crashes onto the dance floor, scattering noodles in every direction. Dust and sauce settle. Titan Gush stands victorious, though he is completely covered in marinara. I shake my head, laughing. 0 stars for logic, 5 stars for chaos. I lean into the lens. What is the most ridiculous prompt you have for me next? Drop it in the comments.